Hi everybody, I'm got here three my test AI predictor functions, and so I said three. I actually thought of this ahead of time, so now I have another one here. It's just a website that I know that I have. So I'm gonna start them up, insert data point. It's all automatic. So that's ETH and Cardano. And what will we? I'm gonna. These test ones are connected to Binance price, and right now I'm gonna try. I tried to connect one with Kraken, so I'm gonna do one right now live. So I'm just setting these guys up. You know, that's what the bot does. He does one. He takes a snapshot of all this and then computes. Right? And then there's a few details, extra details in there, but they're an interval of 1 minute just went by, and so on. They're all going to be. And soon we'll be able to see a little parallel event happening here with the price, the market, when all ships rise, when the tide rise, all ships rise. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go and fetch my Ether project. It's pretty it's ready to work for Ether right now with Binance. You yarn it and you start it. Any questions? You come to the Discord. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to open up a new window. From here, new open a folder, and let's create one right now. Let's call it a.i. Kraken price. That folder. Open a terminal. And git clone. I own AI Ether. So now that's done. What I can do right now is yarn it. Yarn. Oh, wait. I did a mistake here. Developer's irony. I have to move into my here first. There we go. And while that's being done, I'm going to go into my source, my actions, my Bitcoin actions. That's the name of the file. And here is what I'm going to change to get not Binance, but Kraken. So I don't waste too much time. I've got one right here set up, but I'll change it a bit. I'll do something. So let's do this. Let's put that there. Control paste. I didn't press Control paste. I pressed Control. Sorry, guys. See, making a video and it's like wasting time. Control copy and then Control paste. Right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. I'm going to go to fetch BTC. Okay. And we'll go and check it out here. There we go. So BTC. So it's BTC USD. This is that little code that I need. Okay. Because it seems result. I'm going to copy this. Control copy. Come here. I'm just going to put it there so I don't lose it. So it seems to be the same as this. So, not to waste time, I am going to just copy this. Go here, go copy, and see data links. It's all paste. XXBTZUSD. And voila. So, and I didn't change anything in here after I got the links, everything. Just added result. Basically, this changed, and the API call here. So I'm fetching all the links. So it seems to punch in, and what I can do is just pause myself, and I'll be right back in a few. 1, 3, 2, 1. I'm back. No, not yet. Okay, am I back? Maybe. Yes, now. Yes, I'm back. No, maybe. Oh, yeah, it's done. Sorry, I had to do a tiny joke. Okay, so now that that's done, we got too many yarn locks here. Let's just delete. Okay. So that's it's been installed. So now it's just yarn, like I said, start. And now that you've seen the modifications that I've done, I didn't do nothing else to the code. Like didn't work, didn't change nothing in the brain. Oh. Yes, I'm going to have to change one more thing before I start. Sorry. Because this is on Ether. My last one was Ether, and now we're doing Bitcoin, right? So let's go to the beginning of the neural network, and let's add that 0 for 50,000 for normalizing 50,000 under the 0. Not more than that or not less. Just exactly underneath the 0. And I've got 4 brains to do. Open, high, low, and close. Easy to do a typo, eh? Boom, boom. Add some music while I do this, eh? Fun for developers. And just, okay, now we're at the end of the neural network here. And again, it's the same thing here, but this is, I'm doing, instead of multiplying, I'm dividing it. Just because we're under the 0, when I multiply it, pulls it under. when you divide it, well, it brings it back to zero. So if it was 50,000 before, it'll be 50,000 again. So that was important because I was working with Bitcoin. If you're working with other coins, like Ether was 3,000, there was like 4 zeros. So without any further ado, let's start this. And I don't think I have any local 3000 open from some other work. But yes, I do. There we go. For 3001. This first part should open probably easy, and I'm very curious. I got my data. All right, I'm going to insert data. So I don't want to wait like 60 seconds. And we got data. Is the data quite 40,000? Yeah, 44. Yeah, that sounds like Bitcoin to me. Oh, I didn't change. You see, I didn't change a few things here. But on the fly, we just went to get. And on top of this, right now, okay, let's see, this is my Bitcoin from BINANCE. And this is one from Ether. And I could go change that quite rapidly by going into the app. And let's BTC, timeseries, and I should maybe write from Kraken change. Make it easier. Let's see. To be honest, the other one from Binance is BTC USDT. So now that's done. It should back here, yeah. BTC USD. That looks good. It's live. Time series from Kraken Exchange. There we go. And so let's not look at this for now. I just want to compare a bit. So I'm going to do this. That's my BTC. Oh, it restarted. That's okay. And that's from Binance. And there we go. Oh, double picture. Go like that there. Single. And we can just do this. I'll just do that. I'm not that important. And just going to be looking at the details. So this one here is the Kraken one. It shouldn't be that much difference. Like right now, price here is 44,931, 44,924, and 6. 4906. Okay, so Binance is going lower, so opportunity here 494. 494 is like $6. I don't know. Yeah, 6. 12. So there's $12 difference. You'd have to buy for all the fees that come with it, you're gonna have to have a few Bitcoins. But anyways, with time, we can I could see influential do I have all my lines? Yeah. So how does it feel? Ooh, look at that! It just bounded through the high, both of them. So okay, and Bitcoin went through its earlier highs. So yeah. So that was 15 minutes. This could go on and on now. I could just keep looking. But it's just to say how download it and you can sort of own it. And action, Bitcoin. This is the main page here. And I do have some videos. My last video talks about maybe I should do videos just for one one piece of code here and talk about only this piece of code, because this piece of code repeats itself 4 times for the prices, close, the low, the high, and the open. So to understand one piece of code, you understand all the 4. So, and I'm just preparing a line here, but I'm connecting the price of the bot, the brain result, with the price result, with the market price. So I'm creating in the moment, if the price result changes, it's going to be tied to the brain result, which the brain result is what he studied, all those 500 pieces of data that I gave him and more, or whatever. So yeah, and basically I always have in mind risk management. I think that when you go to the horses, the more data you have on your horse, the better your odds. So we have this one, and this is, make sure, the Kraken one. And this could be interesting to see minutely what the brain, how they react, but they're actually reacting pretty much some details. They're all details, these lines, a lot of details. So I just got to ask myself the right questions with the numbers, right? Because numbers are a bit like colors. When you were a kid, you started learning about colors by mixing them. And what would be the result was black or really dark, ugly colors. And then someone taught you, hey, if you put only a tiny of this and a tiny of that, look at the color now. So this is how I believe that data from the market has to be really looked at. And risk management, that's why indicators are indicators. And now I'm actually using a brain JS to train on its own price and make the road. And while he makes the road, the Bitcoin price keeps on moving at how it feels. So it diverges from the brain that just studied him. So we know how it feels. So it's like if it's over the brain, well, it's strong, and if it's under, it's weak. And what happens in between, there's lots of detail. So yeah, I enjoy doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy learning something new in 20 minutes and 6 seconds. And have it. See you later, everyone. Ciao, ciao for now.